Welcome. We're going to show you how to get ready for the Pluto ICO. And special bonus, how to swap inside of Metamask. So get excited. We're going to show you how to whitelist inside of Metamask for our Pluto ICO. We're going to whitelist your wallet inside of your Metamask. Okay, we already showed you how to do it in Trust. We're going to do it now in Metamask. So you're going to go down to the bottom browser, which is the fourth icon at the bottom. So you want to be in the wallet that you have your Pluto in, first of all. And then you're going to go down there to the fourth icon, which is the browser icon. And then you're going to type in there, you're going to paste the address that we gave you before, or you have to type it, sell.plutomatrix.io. Sell.plutomatrix.io. And the thing about doing it in your Metamask wallet, you don't have to change the EVM chain because it's already one chain. So she's already on the BNB chain, as you can see the Binance symbol at the top. So now what she needs to do is to go and connect her wallet and hit whitelist. So her wallet's connect Metamask and then connect. And our wallet is now connected. Gonna go scroll down a little bit. There's gonna be a thing that says whitelist. And she's gonna go ahead and go to whitelist. And that's gonna whitelist her wallet. And then you can see what she has in there. She has 100 and she has a limit to buy up to 350. Now, what I wanna do is share with you eligibility. So this particular account, let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. She's eligible for that amount because she has 2 directs. She has cycled at least one time. That gives her 250. And then you can see the progress on the other ones there. So in this particular account, no, I mean, I know she has a different, other account. So just wanted to share why, some people might have a little bit more than others. The question comes up, what if I want to buy less? You can buy less. But the other question is, what if you want to buy more? If you want to buy more, then you better get the cycling because you can see what it takes on there. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do to whitelist your wallet. The thing I want to make sure you understand is that you need to have USDT in this wallet. So let's say you didn't have USDT, what she does. I'm going to show you guys how to go out back to your wallet and swap it inside of MetaMask. So you can go to the first icon, which is your wallet. You would just simply hit the up and down arrows at the middle, the blue up and down arrows. And there is inside of there, it is swap right there. You can just hit swap. And then it's gonna ask you to start, do you want to start swapping if she never swapped inside of here? And then it'll tell you want to swap BNB for what token. And then you can just select USDT. And if your USDT isn't showing, you can type it up in there because it's a popular token. It's going to say USD here in this particular wallet. Doesn't say USDT. Sometimes see how it says Tether. Well, at the top, there it is, USDT, but it says Tether USD so that you know which one you want. So that's the one you want. And then it'll ask how much does she want to convert. And that's it. And just remember you're doing that in Satoshi's, not dollar amounts there. It's in Satoshi amount. So it's going to be 0.0 whatever, how many ever you want to convert. And then you just convert it. That's it, guys. Simple, easy peasy. Congratulations. Now who is next? That's simple and easy.